Hey guys, welcome to our channel Trailblazers. I hope all of you will be healthy and safe. And today we'll be discuss about UPSC CSE examination. It is conducted by Union Public Service Commission. Here is the official website of Union Public Service Commission, and the exam mode is offline, and the eligible criteria for that is graduate, and in some examination the 12 plus like NDA. And currently the UPSC chairman is Arvind Saxena. Okay, so here we take a quick recap of the history of Union Public Service Commission. Like in 1854, East India Company set up a merit-based system through which it recruits the administrators or bureaucrats mainly. And the first person who is Indian to be recruited by them is Sri Satyendranath Tagore, was the brother of Rabindranath Tagore. And after Union Public Service Commission, here is some functions of this. And the main examination which is conducted by UPSC is mainly IAS, IFS, IES, IES, and SERA, CMS, CDA, CPF, NDA. Okay, so here is a examination which is conducted by UPSC, and here is the minimum qualification required. Like for NDA you have to 12 pass, and for other examination you have different qualification for that. We'll talk here about mainly the CSE, which recruits the IAS, IPS, or IRS officers, and bachelor's degree would be required for you from any recognized university. And the criteria for that is different for general category, OBC, SC, ST, and disabled people. And here is the number of attempt also. So the minimum age is 21. Okay, and the maximum age is 32 for general, and number of attempts is 6. And maximum age is 35 for OBC people, and number of attempts is 9. And maximum age is 37 for SC, ST, and no age limit is the maximum age limit is there. Maximum attempts are there, SC, ST, and for disabled also. So if we talk about the examination pattern of UPSC, there is three type of papers are there. Like first of all, prelims examination is conducted, then for mains, then interview. Okay, so in pre-examination, paper 1 and paper 2 is conducted, and in mains examination there are total 9 papers are conducted. 7 is of other papers and 2 papers of optional subject. Okay, so take one by one all the papers. So in prelims, paper 1 and paper 2 is conducted. First is paper 1 is of GS, and paper 2 is of aptitude test named CSAT. Okay, and time duration is 2 hours, and total marks is 200 marks. And remember these two papers are of objective type question, so you have to take the correct one, and there is a negative marking in that is 1/3 negative marking. Okay, so 1/3 negative marking is there for objective type papers. Okay, so if we talk about the mains examination, there are 9 papers, as I will already told you. Paper 1 is of Indian language, any Indian language you want to take, is of 300 marks. Okay, 300 marks, and it is only qualifying. Paper 2 is also qualifying. This paper are language papers, English and one language what you want to take. Then the main paper started, paper 1 of essay paper, in which 2 sections are given to you. 4 options are given in each section, and you have to write one essay on each section. Like 4 ऑप्शन में से आपको एक ऑप्शन लेना है और उस पर ऐसे लिखना है. Then for paper 2 of general studies 1, in this Indian heritage and culture, history, geography, the world and society. So it is of 250 marks. Then the paper 3 general studies paper 2, and इसमें governance is there, constitution, polity, social justice and international relations are there. It is also of 250 marks. And paper 4 general studies paper 3, technology, economic development, biodiversity, environment, security, disaster management, 250 marks. Paper 4 for general studies 4, ethics, integrity and aptitude, This also for 250 marks. And paper 5 general studies, paper 4 ethics integrity, sorry, this is repeated. So paper two papers are for optional. Okay, so these are you have to take one optional through the given list by the UPSC, and for one optional you have to give two papers for that, and this contain 300 marks for paper 1 and paper 2. So here is the syllabus for paper 1 for preliminary examination. Okay, ये preliminary examination का syllabus है. Current events of national and international importance, history, national movement, Indian geography, world geography, Indian polity, economic development, and governance and ecological environment and ecology, science, general science is also included. And paper 2 for comprehension, interpersonal skill, maths, जो at class 10th level, reasoning and all. We talk about mains examination syllabus. In mains, as I already said, two papers are of compulsory papers for English, Indian language, or any English paper and Indian language. So two papers are for that: essay paper, paper 1 and paper 2. Essay paper, then general studies, paper 4. So four papers are there. Four paper, 4 plus 2, 6, and one paper is of essay and optional 2. So total 9 papers are there. Okay, then here is the syllabus of mains examination. Paper 1, modern Indian language. Whichever Indian language you take, the here is some syllabus for you, like you have to write a short essay on this, precise writing, translation from that language to English, and comprehension. And here is a note for the language paper. So next is English. For English, the same pattern is followed, and we have to move towards paper 3rd, essay. That medium of language is depend on candidate's choice. So you have to write your essay in your own language also. You may write also. And for choice of subject also given, because 4 options are given to you, and you have to choose one option from each section and write an essay. Then paper 4, general studies. In this, Indian history, and these are the syllabus for. You can take a screenshot and or take a printout of the syllabus and read or thoroughly go through it. And for general studies paper 2, here is a syllabus. Here are some main points from the which I extracted from the syllabus. Paper 3 for economic development, science and biodiversity. These are the points. This is included on the paper 3. Here is a paper 4, GS paper 4. Paper actually 7 hai, and GS paper 4, ethics, integrity and aptitude. In this, human values, attitude, ethics, human interference, aptitude, emotional intelligence, and these are public civil services values are checked by examiner. So these are optional subject. So here is a list I took, which is given by the UPSC. So these are the subjects which from which you have to take one subject, and for that particular one subject you have to give paper 1 and paper 2. So many language optionals are there, like Malayalam, Marathi, Hindi, Kannada, Santali, Tamil, Telugu, and some other optionals are there, like PSIR, political science and international relation, public administration, geography, and all are given here. So here is a quick recap. Paper 2, prelims. In prelims you have to give 2 papers. In mains you have to give 9 papers. Qualifying our language papers are qualifying. Here is a interview personality test of 275 marks, and merit decided on the based on the total marks of mains plus interview. So mains और इंटरव्यू को मिलाकर आपके टोटल मार्क्स आते हैं जो कि 2025 टोटल आता है. इसमें से जो रैंक डिसाइड होती है, एंड द एग्जामिनेशन पीरियड वी कैन टेक 10 months अप्रॉक्स. एंड हियर इज़ द ग्रैंड टोटल एंड some things about interview. 275 marks and grand total. Here is a 300 marks qualifying Indian language English paper. Essay paper, all the papers are 250 rather than English Hindi. Okay, any language, Indian language, sorry. So thank you for watching.